Presenting an exquisite 5-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom house for sale nestled within the community of Spring Mountain Ranch in Riverside, California. Our spotlight today is on the KB Homes Avalon model home tour, enhanced with optional builder upgrades, showcasing the epitome of modern living. Step into luxury with this sprawling 2-story home, boasting an expansive 2,375 square feet of meticulously designed space. The heart of the home is the great room, where recessed lights complement windows, creating an inviting space to entertain and connect with your guests. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California area and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The dining area is bathed in natural light, thanks to a large window and a sliding glass door that invites the outdoors in, allowing you to bask in Southern California's radiant weather. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. The kitchen is a culinary haven, featuring stunning countertops, an elegant backsplash, and convenient USB charging ports. A standout feature is the walk-in pantry, offering clever and accessible additional storage. This single basin sink overlooks the backyard, providing a picturesque view while you do dishes, alongside the convenient dishwasher. Stainless steel appliances, including an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher, elevate the kitchen's functionality and aesthetic. This center island is complete with a breakfast bar and storage underneath. The backyard offers a multitude of opportunities for enjoyment and leisure, allowing you to make the most of our beautiful Southern California weather. Perfect area to do gardening, read a book, or enjoy the sun. There is convenient direct access to the 2-car garage. Unfortunately, it was locked and inaccessible during our tour. The first bedroom downstairs has windows, recessed lighting, and carpet. It also has a private full bathroom with cabinets, sink, toilet, and a shower. It also has a closet, perfect for storing clothing and personal belongings. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. In the front of the home, you will find a coat closet in the hallway, offering not only a space for coats, but also serving as an excellent storage solution for various items. The powder bathroom offers a touch of elegance with its essential amenities including a toilet, a sink, and cabinets, creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing space for your convenience. If you're considering putting your Southern California home on the market, we'd be delighted to represent you. Reach out if you're interested in showcasing your property with us. And for all our viewers who don't want to miss out on our fantastic home tours like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Now let's view the upstairs. What a nice loft! It features a window and recessed lighting, and it has a versatile layout, an ideal space for relaxation, studying, hosting game nights, or even memorable slumber parties. The second bedroom is a sunlit haven featuring a welcoming window, plush carpeting underfoot, and the added luxury of a spacious walk-in closet, creating a harmonious blend of comfort and functionality. Let's continue the journey to the third bedroom, where natural light streams in through the window, illuminating the room's carpeted elegance. It also features a closet providing ample space for your wardrobe while maintaining a sense of organization. Now let's explore the fourth bedroom, a private retreat that combines the allure of a window bathing the room in natural light, the comfort of carpeted flooring, and the practicality of a closet, completing this cozy and welcoming space. The guest bathroom has cabinets for convenient storage, dual sinks for added convenience, a well-placed mirror, and a shower nestled within the bathtub, combining style and practicality seamlessly. Experience the sophistication and practicality in this meticulously crafted space. Now let's step into the well-equipped laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups and a convenient shelf for all your laundry essentials. Discover an additional touch of practicality in the hallway, a thoughtfully placed linen closet providing convenient storage for linens and essentials. Step into luxury in the primary bedroom, a serene haven distanced from the other bedrooms. Sunlit and adorned with recessed lighting, this space is a symphony of comfort with plush carpeting underfoot. The ensuite primary bathroom is nothing short of an oasis, expansive and thoughtfully designed. As you step inside, discover a private water closet offering a secluded space with its own toilet. The bathroom itself is a testament to indulgence. Luxuriate in the choice between a refreshing shower and a separate bathtub, ensuring a personalized bathing experience tailored to your preferences. A standout feature of the primary suite is the generously sized master walk-in closet. This roomy retreat accommodates both winter and summer wardrobes with ease, adding an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. It also has the convenience of a linen closet, ensuring that towels and essentials are always within reach. Illuminated by graceful recessed lighting, it features cabinets and dual sinks, ensuring both style and functionality seamlessly coexist. This home also prioritizes your comfort with heating and air conditioning, and its green features include dual pane, energy-efficient low-E glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, and LED lighting. Within the community, an HOA ensures a well-maintained environment, and residents enjoy miles of pedestrian trails and a community park, with amenities like a sand volleyball court, basketball court, playground, barbecue, and picnic areas. Located near Loma Linda University Medical Center, the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside, this residence offers a lifestyle of both luxury and convenience. Experience the epitome of California living in this magnificent home, a place where elegance meets comfort, and every detail is crafted with your utmost satisfaction in mind. Welcome home to Spring Mountain Ranch, where dreams become reality. If you enjoyed this home, you will love these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area and want to sell your house or buy your next home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Please consider also subscribing, and I'll see you in the next 2 videos.